Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make chili Natashaskitchen, easy method. Brown 1 lb ground beef in a large pot over medium heat, then add chopped onions and garlic. Stir in diced tomatoes, tomato paste, beef broth, chili powder, cumin, and a pinch of salt. Simmer gently for 30 minutes to meld flavors, add beans if desired, and adjust seasoning to taste before serving. Serve hot with shredded cheese and chopped cilantro for brightness. Start by prepping all your ingredients so everything moves quickly once the pot is hot. Chop onions, mince garlic, and open cans before you begin. Measure chili powder, cumin, salt, and any extra spices in a small bowl so you can add them without stopping. Browning the meat properly creates depth, so don't rush that step. Taste and adjust salt and heat at the end for the best balance. You can easily customize this chili to match your pantry or taste. Try ground turkey or a meat mix for different textures, or omit meat for a hearty vegetarian version. A teaspoon of instant coffee or unsweetened cocoa powder deepens the flavor subtly without making it taste like coffee. For smoky heat, add chipotle or smoked paprika. Always finish with a final taste check.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.